Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you guys how you can renew your internet download manager software without having to register or without having to put any serial number inside. So if you're like me, you will enjoy using internet download manager because it's one of the best downloading softwares out there. And internet download manager comes with a 30-day trial. So mostly when this trial is over, you can't use the software again unless you register the software before you can use it. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can use it, or you can renew this 30-day trial and use it for completely free. Now this procedure is really simple and easy to do. Anyone can do it. You just have to follow the step I'm going to show you guys in this video. So if you're new to this channel, kindly do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, please like this video, comment, and share this video with your friends. So without wasting any time, join me, let's get right into the video.